We're going to give the compact numeral for each of these expanded numerals. It's not too difficult. Let's give it a go. Okay, so here we have 3 times 100,000, which is 300,000. 5 times 1,000, which is 5,000. And 2 times 100, which is 200, plus 9 times 1, which is 9. So I can just add these up by column method. So 300,000, and then 5,000, and then 200, and then 9. Add them all up. And there you have it. 305,209. Okay, and here's number 2. It hasn't been fully expanded, so it's a bit easier to do. So this is 3 million plus 400,000 plus 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 800 plus 80 plus 2. And again, easiest thing to do in the world really is to just column add it up. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, just add them up. So 400,000, so, and then 400. Next one is 20,000. Next one is 7,000. Next one is 800. 80. 2. Add all these up. And we're going to have 2, 8, 8, 7, 2, 4, 3. And that's a period there. 1, 2, 3. That's a period there. And you have 3,427,882. Let's write that up here. 3,427,882. And for the last one, yep, this one's fully expanded. So let's just tidy this up a little bit. So 9 times a million is 9 million. Plus 500,000. Plus 20,000. Plus 6,000. Plus 500. Plus 2. So if I was to add all these up by the column method, I'd be going like this. 9. Don't really need that comma. 9, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 500,000. 20,000. 6,000. 500. And 2. Add them all up, and you get 2, 0, 5, 6, 2, 5, 9, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 9,526,502. And that's how it's done.